Hi parents and students. Today we're going to talk about the place value strategy, and this strategy is helpful when adding 3-digit numbers. Today we're going to be adding 479 plus 385. Now, if a student already knew how to add, they would think, oh, I need to use the traditional addition algorithm, but many students make mistakes when using this because, for example, if they were adding the 9 plus the 5, they would get 14, and they might forget to carry their 1, or they may not understand what this is meaning. Now, students need to understand that they're going from the ones place to the tens place, and when their value, when they add the ones place together, is greater than 9, that is why they have to carry over this 1 right here. So, and for the tens place, if it is greater than 99, that's when they carry over into the hundreds place. And then for the hundreds place, if it's greater than 999, then they will go into the thousands place. Now, many students do not understand this when using the addition algorithm, so today I'm going to show you why they should use the place value strategy when learning how to add 3-digit numbers. So, once again, we're going to be adding 479 plus 385. The first step to the place value strategy is to write these numbers into expanded form. 479, you will look at this digit right here, where the 4 is, and that represents 400 because it's in the hundreds place. Now the 7 digit right here is in the tens place, so it represents 70. And then the 9 is in the ones place, so it just represents 9. I'll do the same thing for 385. So the 3 is 300, the 8 represents 80, and the 5 represents 5. You'll then add these together. So you'll be adding your ones placed together, your tens placed together, and your hundreds placed together. So let's add those real quick. It's 14, 150, and 700. Now I would, for the students in class, write this on top of each other. So let me do that for you. I have 700 plus 150 plus 14. And you can easily add this together, 4, 6, 8. And the students will get a final answer of 864. And they can see that they don't have to carry anything over because you're adding the hundreds, the tens, and the ones place separately. So there's no carrying over in this problem. And you may ask, well, this has way more steps. Why would my student want to use this? Well, I want them to be able to understand the different place values, and that is the merit for this strategy. And another way they can use this, it's a more simplified version. Same thing. So let's go back to our original problem. 479 plus 385. The students, once they begin using this and writing out the numbers in expanded form, they will be able to understand that this 4 represents 400 and this 3 represents 300, so they can add 400 plus 300, and then we'll know, okay, that's 700. And they'll do the same thing with the tens places. They know 7 represents 70 and 8 represents 80. So that's 150. And then 9 plus 5 is 14. So then they can add it together and you get the same answer, 864. Another thing that I wanted to mention was that the students, when they learn how to read, they read from left to right. And when you're using the addition algorithm, you go from right to left. So a lot of students don't like that because they're not used to it at first. So this method allows them to go from the left to right, just like they're reading. And this helps them better understand the addition. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you have a great day.